what steps do I need to go through to make sure that the name I have with my company and what I put on my website and all those various things are going to be, reasonable and not get me into trouble?
Okay, and that's it. Again, there's a two-step process. The first step is doing a search. Get a professional search company like ours or one of the other ones to perform a comprehensive trademark search. And the trademark searches are much more complicated than people think. A lot of people will just go on the internet and put into Google or some other search engine, they'll put in their name and see what pops up. Well, that's a good start, but that's really just a small piece of it. When you have a professional company do a trademark search, it's a much more expansive, broad search.
What does a trademark search cost from a professional company?
Yeah, the market is pretty even. Anywhere between $300 and $400 usually would be the trademark search. And that would search the federal database of all the federally registered trademarks, the state database, because you can register at the state level, and a common law listing of other businesses using the name, whether or not they've tried to register it. Because there's trademark rights through that as well.
I pay you for a trademark search. You come up and say to me, okay, my trademark of Bob's Special Molding is absolutely clean.
Okay.
What's my next step now to get that Bob's Special Molding trademark
protected? Right. You earn trademark rights in 3 different ways. First is just using the mark. Handing out business cards, putting up flyers, anything like that. You get rights of trademark just by using the mark. They're very small. They're little kernels and nuggets of trademark law. But if you want to expand that, then you go ahead and file a registration. And 99% of registrations now are filed at the federal level.
Where do I do this? Do I send it to somebody in Washington, D.C.?
Yeah, the one thing I will say is that a business owner, unless you have some sort of background in trademark law, probably shouldn't do this process. It's a pretty complicated process, filing a federal trademark, and it is filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, so you'll have a trademark attorney do that.
And how much does something like that cost?
Again, it's going to be a few $100s. The federal government will also take a few $100s. Looking with the search and the registration process, somewhere over $1,000 to $1,500.
And when I do that, does that mean I have it forever?
Yeah, once you earn and you receive a registration from the federal government, your trademark you can use forever. You'll have to file certain types of affidavits and renewals, but it can last forever.